What happened?
Just after 10 p.m. on November 6, 2022, a San Antonio police officer arrived at a home on the city's northeast side after a driver fled the scene of a nearby hit-and-run crash.
Hi there. You okay?
Oh, yeah. Man, I am.
What's your name, sir?
Oh,
Officer DeRozier, San Antonio Police Department, if you're curious.
okay.
You alright?
No,
What happened?
man, I am like, shoot.
Do you need an ambulance?
No, I'm not.
Is there anyone home that can come out and help you out?
No, I'm sorry. Whew.
Do you realize your Jeep's still running? Your name Clayton?
Yeah,
Okay. Do you realize you were potentially involved in a motor vehicle accident tonight, Clayton?
no,
Can you sit up?
no,
Do you want help sitting up?
no.
Well, I can't exactly leave you like this.
Oh, shoot. Man,
So here's it. If you can't stand up on your own, I'm going to have to call an ambulance because I can't leave you with an inability to care for yourself.
no, I'm sorry.
How about this? Try sitting up. Let's start with that.
Alright.
Hey, we're making progress.
Oh, shoot.
Do you have ID on you, Clayton?
No, I'm not.
And 412826 Iowa Street.
That's more of a yes or no question, not a am or aren't. Do you have ID on you?
No, I don't.
Do you have a driver's license?
No.
But you were out driving?
No, I'm not.
No, not right now, but you were out earlier.
No.
Because I have a description that you match at a Bill Miller's. I have a receipt from right behind your vehicle with some groceries from earlier today.
Okay.
And when I said you left your vehicle running, you reacted in such a way that would lead me to believe that you were
Okay.
operating it earlier. So if you don't have a driver's license, why are you out driving?
Ooh, shoot.
I'm going to ask another question. It appears that you might have been driving while intoxicated. So if you don't have a driver's license, that would be an even worse decision. Wouldn't you agree?
Yes.
Okay. Can you stand up?
No.
Have you been drinking tonight?
Oh, no. I'm trying to get into my house.
Okay. So why is that so difficult?
Well, sorry.
It's an honest question. You know what time it is right now?
No, I don't even know what time it is.
Okay. Were you driving earlier?
No.
Who was? I'm not gonna lie, I ask a lot of questions that I already know the answer to.
Yeah.
So the more you lie to me, just the harder this is.
Yeah.
For you. Easier for me.
Right.
Harder for you.
Right.
So who was driving?
Not me.
Not you.
No.
Who was? And what kind of bum friend do you have that would leave you lying in your backyard?
Well, I'm back here and I'm sorry.
I'm surprised you haven't even asked about the people that you hit, if they're okay or not.
What?
Yeah. You were involved in a motor vehicle crash tonight. At least your vehicle was. So I'm going to call an ambulance out because at this point I can't just leave you here.
Okay.
So we'll go from there.
All right.
31,
Thank you.
31.
31, good.
Can you start me EMS to my location? Clayton, let's start with your last name.
Clayton Perry.
Clayton Perry.
Yes.
Perry?
Yes.
What's your date of birth, sir? Do you have a good phone number?
Yes.
What is that?
Well. Okay.
Do you not remember it?
Well, no, I.
Have a one more.
No, I got that. Phone number.
I'm sorry.
A good phone number.
Okay.
While you think about that, would you like me to turn your vehicle off?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't go anywhere.
Okay.
Do you have the key fob with you, or is it in the car somewhere?
Sorry.
Do you have the key fob with you, or is it in the vehicle somewhere?
It must have been.
Okay. I found your wallet, I'm presuming.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it okay if I grab your driver's license out of here?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So where were you coming from before here?
Shoot.
Do me a favor. Either have a seat in the chair or on the steps. How about that? I'm
Okay.
glad to see you standing, though.
Yeah.
Do you want to have a seat?
Yeah. Okay. Yes.
Here's your wallet.
Thank you.
I just have a driver's license. I'm going to hang on to that
Yeah.
for just a moment. So what happened this evening that led us to here?
Well, I just came on home.
From where?
Negative. I believe
From,
we're all of the suspicious vehicles.
yeah, I was-
Just call you on their own now.
Okay.
Are you normally this fuzzy on details?
No.
Okay. Are you just avoiding my question, or are you confused?
And where was
No,
That's more of a
Road
medical
intersection?
concern than anything,
Said it
mind
was
you.
I'm
behind
just-
the Chase Bank.
Had
Didn't
a
give an address for the Chase Bank.
had a
but
good time.
Right there in the alleyway.
Where?
from well,
Exactly.
from
What?
well, just right down the road.
224.
Okay, so you're having a good time right down the road.
Yeah.
Are we talking like Mud Creek, the elementary
No.
school, Bill Miller's? Like, where? How far down the road?
From just right down the road.
Were you at a business, a friend's house, hanging
Nope.
out on the side of the road?
Nope. From let's see, where was I? Dang.
When you were having this good time, how much did you have to drink?
Well, I had a good time.
What does that mean?
Just had a good time.
What does that mean?
Well, had a good time.
Was it the people you were with, the beverages you were drinking, the music you were tapping your foot to? Like, what does that mean?
Yeah, had a good time. Had a good time.
Okay. So who were you having this good time with?
Well, from, well, shoot. Just a good time.
Okay. I'll ask again. I already know the answer, but I'm just waiting for you to admit it. Who was driving your vehicle tonight?
Well, I didn't have anybody here tonight.
Does that mean you were driving your vehicle tonight?
Nope.
So who do you trust enough to drive your vehicle, but then who's going to leave you laying in your backyard?
Well, I was coming on home.
Right.
Yep.
But who was driving?
Nope. Not me.
Not you.
Nope.
Who was?
Well, there's a lot of acorns living here tonight, and
There are a lot of acorns living here tonight?
yeah, I mean,
That has nothing to do with my question, though.
nope, not me.
We've established that. Still waiting on who was driving.
Nope, not me.
Do you realize that whoever was driving ran into your garage?
My garage? Nope.
Still surprised you haven't asked about the other car that you hit.
My car?
Another car that your vehicle hit.
Nope, not me.
Don't go anywhere. Sounds like the ambulance is here.
Okay.
Would you like your driver's license back before you dip inside?
Yes.
Can you get inside?
Yes. I appreciate it.
So, just so you understand, I do have a crash report to write. Your vehicle is going to be listed in that crash report because I have witnesses that saw it occur and followed
Okay.
you back here.
Okay.
I'm also going to be filing a failure to stop and provide information.
Okay.
So, just so
Okay.
you're aware of what's happening with all that. Do you have any questions for me?
Okay. Nope. Not for me.
Go ahead and go inside. Just so you know, the back tailgate of your Jeep is open and the window's down on the driver's side.
Okay. All right.
So,
Well, I appreciate it.
okay.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. It's all right.
All right.
Go ahead and hop inside.
All right. Okay.
I can't leave till I see you inside.
Okay.
I don't
All
think
right.
your keys are in there.
I'm sorry.
I don't think your keys are in there if that's what you're looking for.
Okay. All right. Keys are in the.
I don't know where the keys are.
Okay.
I'm saying if you're looking for them, I doubt they're in your wallet.
Okay. All right. Well, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Are you going to be entering your residence or no?
I'm sorry.
Are you going to be entering your residence or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And 4210 3434
Man.
Roland Avenue, first in progress, 203 Glenwood East.
I got it.
I'm
Thank
with
you. Appreciate it.
There's no pad there for a card to unlock.
Yeah.
That's a credit card. Still no card that's going to open that door, sir.
Just what?
There's no card that's going to open that door. I've seen you try about 6 now.
Well,
It's just a standard lock. You need a key.
all right. Well, I know. Well, I'm sorry.
Me too.
I can't get into the house. What do you want me to do?
I've offered. Do you want me to check your vehicle for keys? Maybe you have a house key that we could try the front door with?
Well,
Or did the mystery driver take those two?
I'm sorry.
Or did the mystery driver run off with those two?
Yeah. I don't know.
Because you
I'm
really-
sorry?
May I search your vehicle for your house keys?
The house keys?
Yeah, we're at your house.
Okay.
Is that a yes, I can search your vehicle for house keys?
Well, I need to get into the house.
Well, the door is locked. Usually keys
Well-
unlock doors.
Okay. Hang on just a second.
I've been waiting for a lot. I'm going to ask one more time. After that, I'm going to leave you to your own devices.
I'm sorry.
I'm going to ask you one more time. If you answer no, I'm going to leave you to your own devices. Because you refused EMS, and they said that you're competent to make decisions. So,
Yeah.
would you like me to search your vehicle for your house keys? Yes or no?
No, I'm
Okay,
good
have a
to
good
go.
answer. Do not drive anymore tonight.
The man in the backyard was Clayton Perry, then a sitting San Antonio City Council member representing District 10. That night, with no definitive evidence placing him behind the wheel, the responding officer left without making an arrest. Perry acknowledged being involved in the crash but denied driving the vehicle. The investigation continued. Surveillance footage later showed Perry had consumed more than a dozen alcoholic drinks over roughly 4 hours before the crash, and investigators estimated his blood alcohol concentration at more than 3 times the legal limit. He was subsequently charged with driving while intoxicated and failure to stop and give information. In April 2023, Perry pleaded no contest to both misdemeanor charges and was granted deferred adjudication, allowing him to avoid a conviction if he successfully completed 1 year of probation. The Bexar County District Attorney opposed the arrangement, arguing that causing a crash and fleeing the scene warranted a conviction, and that Perry's position as a city councilman should not entitle him to special consideration. The judge ultimately approved the deferred adjudication over those objections. Perry later took a leave of absence from the city council, returned to complete the remainder of his term, and chose not to seek re-election. In 2025, he returned to politics and ran for mayor of San Antonio, but was unsuccessful.